Hi ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to show you how to save your Google Slides presentation as a PowerPoint and then how to export it to Keynote on your iPad. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to show you that right now. So what you see in front of you is my Google Slides noise presentation. As you can see, it's called Quarantine Noise. So if you go up to your three dots on the upper right hand side, you will press that and you see where it says share and export. Press that and then it says save as PowerPoint. Press that. You'll see it's converting to PowerPoint right now, and you will know that it is PowerPoint because at the top, in the top description of the title, it says noise presentation dot pptx. So that means that it is the PowerPoint presentation. All right, so now you have the first part of this done. So the second part of this that you have to do is go back to the three dots on the right hand side, okay? And then once again, you're going to share and export. So I'm going to press that right now. And instead of doing anything with Google Slides file, you're not going to touch anything like that. You're going to press send a copy. Now, at the very top, you're going to slide across to Keynote. Now, as you can see, I don't have Keynote there, so I'm going to press more. And then as I go here, I'm going to press, let's see, copy to Keynote. And then, as you can see, it's going to convert to Keynote. So now my presentation has converted to Keynote. Now that's the first step of what you need to do in order to convert your Google Slides presentation to Keynote so that you can start to make your presentation in Mr. Hogan's class. Okay, any questions, make sure you email me or Mr. Hogan. Thanks. Bye.